In this video, we're going to show you how to enter and edit grids. Here in the design menu, we have the option button, the glass button, and the grid button. Go ahead and select the grid button. The drop-down box is where you select your grid type. You have the option of flat, sculptured, SDL, flat marginal, sculptured marginal, and SDL marginal. I'm going to go ahead and select flat. Open Janela will always suggest a standard pattern. If you need to adjust the vertical and the horizontal bars, select this button. Notice that it's prompting you to click on the glass to configure, and it'll ask you the number of vertical and horizontal bars you want. Make the change you desire and select the checkbox. You'll need to repeat the step for the other lights. It's telling you that there's a potential for a horizontal grid misalignment. Go ahead and hit OK, but pay attention to it. Sometimes it will be, sometimes it won't, depending on the amount of customization you've chosen. Let's go ahead and convert this pattern into a prairie pattern. The first thing we need to do is cut away the unwanted portion of the grids. Go ahead and select the scissor button. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag down across the section of grids you want to cut away. Repeat the step for both lights. Now let's move the grids to the height we want them. Down here in the dimension menu, you'll notice that there's an option here for grid sizing. Go ahead and select it and place it on the glass in which you want to adjust. You'll notice it'll give you different sizes that you can adjust. Highlight the dimension you want to change and hit enter. Now we need to align the grids. Over here you notice we have a button that says align verticals or align horizontals. In this case we want to align the horizontals. Go ahead and select the button. Use the cursor and select the master or the primary grid that you want the other ones to follow. After you've selected that, go over and select the other one as the slave. When that's done, you can hit the checkbox and the grids will align. I'm going to start with a fresh window and let's do a marginal pattern. Going back up to the design menu, select grids, select flat marginal, and this will give you a 9-light marginal pattern in each light. If you want to make it a perimeter pattern, you can select the remove one grid option and click on the grid you want to remove. This will remove that grid in its entirety. Repeat on the other side, and that's how we do a perimeter marginal pattern. For additional information, please visit us on the web. Thank you for watching.